My next message to you is, and I love the way this community is being run. I love the lack of structure. I love the community. This is truly a community structure. It is clearly, like California, anti-business. I'm joking. My message to you is understand that private enterprise can be your friend, can be very valuable, and can be very supportive. And I think you see Enterprise DB being incredibly supportive, much as Sun was very supportive. Take advantage of that support before they get bought. Use and abuse them. And find others. You have a chance. I would be all over EMC Greenplum to get them aligned. I would reach out to them and say you're going to work with them and get them helpful and supportive because they can help move the ball forward. I don't think they want to fork. I think they have to at times. And don't get mad at people when they do fork, and it's okay. Get them back into the fold over time. Keep working with them. I believe the private enterprise support, help, and resources that you can get can be incredibly valuable. There are probably some other CEO nutcases like me who will be very supportive of open source in large enterprise organizations. So seek them out and take advantage of them. Tomcat was donated to Apache by Sun. It's done pretty well. Linux wouldn't have happened without Red Hat, Intel, Dell, IBM. Look at OpenOffice. You shouldn't buy Office. Just do OpenOffice. And Java basically runs on everything except Apple. So again, you have a great community. I think the BSD style license is outstanding. It's got very vibrant forums. It allows for rapid innovation. It's not over-constrained. And I'm very impressed to see the kind of progress in the September release with 9.0. Some very good features and capabilities built into that. Data is the hot new item, as I said, and I think PostgreSQL has the opportunity to be one of the most important disruptions in the computer industry since Linux came in. Go out and evangelize, brag, tell your story, reach out. Don't spend all your time coding. That's good, but don't spend all of it. Embrace the other communities, PHP, Python, Java, Eclipse, Drupal. Hadoop, is that enemy or a friend? I think it's all, if it's open, it's all a friend. It's all a partner. I'm still have a place in my heart for the Java developers. Reach out to the Java community. I think they could use some help, and they deserve it. And make it easier for people to use this stuff. Part of the problem, I always had a problem at Sun. I would sit down with my engineers, and I would try to explain to them, you're not normal. I'm normal. And they look at me, no, that didn't work. So most people are not as talented with source code as you all are. Make it easier for them. Build the tools. Make it easy to download. Make it easy to boot. Make it easy to migrate. Make it easy to report bug fixes. Build in crash reporters. Do all and anything you can to make this easier for mere mortals to use as a product. It will help. It will save the world a lot of cash that is going to the America's Cup races. So, I think now is a very interesting time. Although it's in a little bit of a different market. I don't know if you saw today that the prices were basically doubled on MySQL this morning. Just doubled. That's a start. Titanium masks are very expensive. Or are they carbon fiber? Carbon, whatever, they're very expensive. And there's just a small number of players out there now, and cooperation among them is going to be hard. You have a chance to kind of bridge a lot of these data environments in a very, very interesting way. Database software cost alone can run as high as 35% of an IT budget. There's a lot of low-hanging watermelon here to be harvested. So go for it. And Forrester reports 80% of organizations are looking for open source databases. And again, every startup in the world is not going to go buy software from IBM, Microsoft, or Oracle. They just aren't. So you have a big opportunity. So open is good. I congratulate all of you for being a part of this community. I fully expect that the room next year will be twice or 4 times as big. That's my prediction. In a down economy, I think you are very, very well situated.